welcome back to my channel. I'm Tracy, and as promised I told you guys that I would have a Berries and Cream Part 2. That's the Dominique Cosmetics palette that I just recently purchased. So I thought I'd come on here and film an eye tutorial. This is only going to be an eye tutorial, it's not going to be a full face. So if you have this palette yourself or you're thinking about getting this palette and you want to know different ways how you can use it, I do have another video for daytime and I'm going to link it up here. I'll also be doing another look on my Instagram, so be sure to follow me on there if you're not already. With all that being said, I do invite you to subscribe down below and also turn on post notifications so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then just keep watching.
No, I'd rather be waking up with you. Set up alone in your room, slept with the light on, waiting up for you. I don't wanna be.
Okay guys, so this is strictly gonna be an eye tutorial using the Dominique's Cosmetics Berries and Cream palette. So I'm just bringing you guys up and close so that you guys can get a good look at what I'm doing. I'm going to be doing a step-by-step tutorial, so don't worry, I'm going to explain everything thoroughly. Alright, so I told you guys that this is going to be one of the eyeshadows that I'm going to utilize the most because this is like the perfect transition color. This is the color Soft and Sweet, and I'm going to be taking this eyeshadow on a Sigma E40 brush. I had already previously primed my lids using the Carity Cosmetics eyeshadow primer. You guys know that that's like my go-to primer lately. This brush is like really fluffy and it really diffuses the eyeshadow very well and it keeps it very light. Okay guys, so I'm going to move along and I'm going to dip into this color right here. I haven't touched it before. This is called Toasted. And I'm taking a fluffy brush like this one here. This one does not have a number. It's just from a set that I ordered from Morphe. And if you buy like the cheaper sets, I feel like they don't really have numbers because this is like my second set from them and it didn't come with numbers. So I'm just going to go into the crease area right here. And I'm not going to be moving too far up because I don't want the color Soft and Sweet to be gone. And I'm really liking how this is blending with the color Soft and Sweet. I think if you just use these two colors and then apply either Sugar Cookie or any of the shimmers really, you can definitely get a really nice daytime simple look and it'll look beautiful. Just look at how pretty this is blending. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and darken up this look and I'm going to take the color Raspberry Muffin. Now I'm going to darken up the eye using Blueberry Muffin, which is this beautiful blue shade right here. And then for this I'm going to use a Sigma E55 brush. This is the shading brush. And I'm just going to begin packing this color into the lid. Wow. With this brush I'm just diffusing the outer edges right here. Okay, so I'm going to use different colors for this look that probably wouldn't go together, but I'm going to try to make them go together, so I'm taking a risk here. Okay, I'm going to take my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and it's almost gone. I keep saying that in almost every video, but I keep trying to utilize it as much as possible. I'm trying to get the last drop from this. This is the Alamar Cosmetics tiny little flat brush. And then for this, I'm going to apply this right in the center right there. Drag it down. Do the same thing over here. Drag it towards the center, turn the brush over, and then just repeat. So once my eye is like that, I'm gonna mix that together and create like a little Wi-Fi signal. On the lid, I'm gonna be applying this color right here. This one is called Cranberry. And like the first time, I'm just gonna apply it to the center of the eye and drag it down. Once I have that done, I'm going to start packing it right up here. Using the same brush that I used to apply Cranberry, I'm going to move over to this one here. It's called Warm Pie. And then Warm Pie, I'm going to apply it at this area right here where the concealer is left. And I'm just making sure that I'm packing it on and then blending it into Cranberry. I'm going to dip back into Blueberry and then just go into this crease area just to darken it up. I'm going to go back in with the color Blueberry, which is this one right here, of course. And I'm going to pack on that eyeshadow at this outer edge here. And then blend. I'm going to take this Luxie Mini Round Brush I'll go ahead and pick up Blackberry on this little brush here and just apply it right underneath that eyeliner. I'm going to grab the same little angled brush and take Blueberry Muffin once again. I keep using this over and over. But then I'm going to go ahead and apply it right underneath that black and kind of diffuse it a little bit more. Okay, so now I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so for the final touch, I'm going to go ahead and take my Sigma E36 brush and the color Sugar Cookie, which is this one right here. And very lightly, I'm just tapping on here because this brush just grabs onto whatever eyeshadow I dip into, especially if it's a shimmer. And I'm going to spray it. And this is the Tarte Ready Set Skin Mist. And then with this brush, I'm just going to be applying it right here. Go ahead and wipe off that brush and then try to diffuse this area right here so it doesn't look too cray-cray. I think I'm gonna go ahead and apply this right here as a brow bone highlight as well. If you have to go ahead and touch up with the color Soft and Sweet, that's the first color that we applied to the eyes. Just because this shimmer did kind of take away from that. Alrighty, so I really hope that you guys did enjoy this really short tutorial. I wanted to keep it short and just keep it focused on the eyes. I feel like these eyeshadows combined are very rich in color and I'm pretty happy with it because I would never normally pair cranberry and a blue color, but I did and I'm glad that I took that risk because I'm pretty happy here. I think I already said that, but I am. If you did enjoy this tutorial, be sure to give my video a thumbs up. And also, if you have a little bit of time, be sure to check out my latest videos, which are gonna be right over here. The little circle with my picture and it subscribes you to my channel in case you haven't done so already. And thank you for being here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.